Okay, hello everyone, this is Casey from WebBuddy. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can disable comment box below your blog post in your WordPress website. Okay, so by default, whenever you create a blog post in your WordPress website, the bottom area will appear this comment area. And this comment area is actually good in terms for search engine, especially after this recent Google update. And I see a lot of blogs with a lot of comments that are ranking way above than their competitors. So if you can just leave this comments box on. But if for certain reason that you want to disable them, I will show you how you can do that. So go to the dashboard and go to post, which is all your blog posts where it is. So for example, for this blog post, if you want to disable the comment area over here, make sure this tab is select to post. Scroll down. Under discussion, you can see the allow comments, allow feedback. So just disable these two options and click update. And now when you go back to the blog post, you do a refresh. When you scroll down, you can see no longer the comment area appear. So it disable the comment area. And you may need to do this for every of your already published blog posts. And there is a setting in the settings area. If you go to settings, discussion, that's where you can disable these two. Do not allow people to submit comments and do not allow link notification. After that, you click Save Changes. Only after you uncheck these two options, then for the new blog post that you post, they won't have any comments area. Okay, so that's how you disable the comment area in your WordPress website. If you have any questions, feel free to post in the question area. Thank you.